Freeze! I'm Ma Baker.
This is the story of Ma Baker, the meanest cat from old Chicago town. Appeared too soon.
They couldn't get away.
With all the load they had,
It made them mighty mad.
and so they shot it out.
Ma Baker and her son,
They didn't want to hang,
they died with blazing guns.
and so the story ends.
I'm one who left no friends. Ma Baker, she taught her her sons. Ma Baker, to handle their guns. Ma Baker, she never could cry. Ma Baker, but she knew how to die. Ma Baker, she taught her her sons. Ma Baker, to handle their guns. Ma Baker, she never could cry. Ma Baker, but she knew how to die.
There lived a certain man in Russia long ago.
He was big